Being a lifestyle disease reversal expert, my main focus is not only on weight loss, it is helping the people with lifestyle conditions like.
Our today's guest is someone who believes good health is not just dieting but creating a sustainable lifestyle.
In 21 days, you can either build a new habit or you can break an old one.
Please join me in welcoming Deepti Nimbalkar in this BNI Diva segment. Our today's guest is someone who believes that good health is not just dieting but creating a sustainable lifestyle. As a dietitian, diabetic educator, and lifestyle disease reversal expert, Deepti Nimbalkar has helped countless individuals take control of their health through personalized nutrition and practical wellness strategies. Whether it's managing diabetes, achieving healthy weight goals, or improving your overall healthy weight, she guides her clients towards lasting results. Please join me in welcoming Deepti Nimbalkar in this BNI Diva segment of her business, Her Voice.
Yeah.
Welcome, Deepti.
Yeah, thank you, Nasim.
Can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, my name is Deepti and I am a dietitian and a lifestyle disease reversal expert. And I am a BNI member chapter for 1 year and 3 months now. And what I do and help people is to build the habits rather than just only focusing on the diet. So my passion is to help people lead a very good healthy lifestyle.
Oh, lovely, lovely. So can you tell us how BNI has helped you impact your business and your mindset?
Yeah, I am really grateful to BNI and the platform has really helped me grow personally also, and it has also given me a very good clarity about how to do the business. Business wise, if you say, it has helped me to, one particular thing which it taught me was that business is not only about focusing on your competition, but it is something where you have to, it's all about collaborations. And personally, if you see, what BNI has helped me is that I've grown personally. It has helped me found myself. I've become more confident. I work very effectively. Communication has become more effectively. I've become very positive. So this is the benefit that I've got after joining BNI.
Lovely, lovely. So what kind of problems do you solve for your clients, Deepti?
Being a lifestyle disease reversal expert, my main focus is not only on weight loss, it is helping the people with lifestyle conditions like who are struggling with weight management and clinical conditions like diabetes, thyroid, PCOD, menopause, fatty liver, gut related health issues. In these conditions, I try to give them a structured program and I try to focus on the root cause of the problem rather than only focusing on the symptoms or trying to, just help them in that way. So my main focus is that they should reduce the medication in the appropriate manner and get the right results for themselves.
Yeah. Okay. So Deepti, please tell us what is this 12 weeks program?
Yeah, taking into consideration of all the problems that people have, I've designed a 12-week challenge program. Here there are 12 weeks and you get 12 challenges in 12 weeks. So 12 weeks means 3 months. Every week you get one new challenge and this challenge is based on your daily recall or the lifestyle that you have. It could be anything related to your stress or your physical activity or you're fixing your meal timings and all that. So every week you get a challenge and based on after proper monitoring, the plan is reviewed and every week a new plan is given to you. So what happens here is that, you'll agree with me when we say that in 21 days, you can either build a new habit or you can break an old one. So in 12 weeks, you're able to transform your life if you take these challenges positively. So every week, one challenge goes on, adding on, and effectively it helps to build a new lifestyle.
Lovely, lovely. So, can you tell me some of the challenges that you face in your industry?
Yeah. So, there are a couple of challenges which I face as a nutritionist in my profession. The first one is a misinformation. People have a very good, very easy and long access to social media. Like WhatsApp, ChatGPT, they get a lot of information from there and they read everything and they get confused and they ultimately go for quick fix solutions and they don't believe in the scientific approach of lifestyle transformation. The second challenge is that people always feel diet is very important but it is not urgent.
Yeah.
So the thing here is that people, it takes a very long time for all these diseases to come to it. It is over the years, but then they keep on postponing, not today, not tomorrow. They have n number of excuses, and that becomes a challenge. So they know they have to go to a dietitian, but they don't come. Third challenge is that people are not committed. They join my program, they do it for a couple of weeks, and then one break happens, and then the program goes off the track. Yeah, these are the main challenges that I face here.
So, lovely. So, can you tell me what is your biggest BNI success story?
Yeah, in my BNI journey of 1 year and 3 months, more than 40 BNI members had enrolled in my 12-week challenge program.
Wow.
And collectively, I can say BNI has become 60 kg lighter and more healthier. So I feel proud that I have given a little contribution in making people's life healthier.
Yes.
Yeah.
As you leave, can you share one of your core BNI values?
Yeah, my favorite core BNI value or something which resonates with me is the giver's gain. Because in my profession, I see that if I'm able to help someone by losing the weight or taking care of the sugar levels, they are happy, they refer to other people. So this is something like a giver's gain. That is the same philosophy of BNI. So and I feel BNI is not just, giver's gain is not only about giving referrals to each other. You have to understand each other, you have to have a good communication, give each other the right information about your business. And when you do this continuously, selflessly, it builds trust and you get opportunities easily. Even if you keep on giving people, you get opportunities in different ways. So for me, I feel the BNI core value of giver's gain is not just a core value. It is a foundation of a great success for every BNI member in BNI.
Lovely, lovely. Thank you so much, Deepti, for joining us for this segment.
Thank you for the opportunity. Yes, thank you so much.